Hi everyone, if you want to connect a microphone to the Insta360 AcePro, then Insta360 sell a special microphone adapter such as this that accepts a 3.5mm microphone and connects into the USB-C port. But is this guy strictly necessary? Because it does cost around about $20 or $25 or so. Can we not just take a third-party adapter such as this, much cheaper, and then simply just plug this into the USB-C port? Well, let's find out. Okay, so the very first test, of course, is to actually plug the official adapter into the Insta360 AcePro. Find ourselves a standard 3.5mm microphone and give it a test to make sure everything's working as expected. And then we're going to remove the official adapter, take a third-party 3.5 to USB-C adapter, and then see whether we can get it working. Okay, so just before we get started, I'm just going to do a very quick test of using the internal microphones on the Insta360 AcePro in order we can do a comparison with an external microphone plugged in with the official adapter. Okay, so this is a quick test of the internal microphone on the Insta360 AcePro, just so we can do a comparison with an external microphone. Okay, so I've got my little test microphone plugged into the Insta360 AcePro, and it's going directly with this little wire here straight into the official adapter. So this is how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can see on the bar when I'm talking, I can see an actual bar going up and down, a little sort of a turquoise one. So that confirms that the actual microphone is actually working on the Insta360 AcePro. Again, doing a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I've now plugged in the third-party adapter straight into the USB-C port on the Insta360 AcePro, and then connected my little test microphone straight to that adapter with the little blue wire here. So let's now give it a test. So the very first thing I notice when the microphone is connected to the AcePro is that there are no lines going up and down on the screen, just like there were before. So that pretty much indicates that the microphone is not working as expected with the USB-C port. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in conclusion then, it does look like we do actually need the official adapter for the Insta360 AcePro if we want to connect in a 3.5mm microphone. Now I was kind of hoping that it wasn't the case and we could get away with using a third-party adapter, but unfortunately it does look like Insta360 AcePro is going to be $20 or so or richer if you want to actually connect up an external microphone. Okay, well, I thought that's worth doing. So I hope that video is useful to you guys. Just in case you were wondering, if it is, of course, don't forget to hit that big red fat subscribe for me. And other than that, I shall see you soon on another video.